Biology Pizzeria. I was so windy. Let's go inside. I'm gonna tell you something. This biology right here, it's history because they are the last one of biology. They are making the oldest versions of the pizza. They are now making Vito style pizza. Let's go see their oldest pizza. I'm excited to show you the process that they have, and you have to see what they were doing before. This way to be able to understand what you're going to see today at the end of this video. So the change, the transformation of the pizza. Hello, can we get a margherita pizza? Or the cheese pizza that you have? Can I come back there and see how you make it? Okay, hold on. Okay, the oven is set here at 441.
This is our texture. This is our press, our dough.
Dough press.
Yes. So this is where we make it our thin crust or our flat crust, which is our thick crust.
Oh, you both
We have
make
different
everything right there?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Let's enjoy the ride. Oh, wait, come here. So this is how they save the dough here. That's how they...
Yeah,
Everything?
these are our high rise and this is our thin crust.
Right.
So we have
Let's go
our
with
high
it.
rise here.
Yeah.
We like to spray this so it won't stick to the,
Yes.
to the top. We also have our dowel pan here. So it will press it down thick for you. Okay?
So I see the barbeces too.
Yes, it's barbecue. Yes.
Fantastic.
We also
Fantastic.
our dough right on top of here. We also have our,
All the no worries.
and then we also, this is so that way our dough don't
Can I
puff
touch?
up. Yes.
It's okay. So that it's mine. So how much cheese do you put?
3 ounces of beef.
Okay, thank you. Can you make also the team cross
Okay,
together?
okay.
This way we are able to see side by side
Yes.
the difference.
Okay. So this is our thin crust dough, and then here we're going to press it here.
So same thing. You
Same
guys
thing,
par
yes,
baked.
par-baked. So it won't stick to the top. We turn our towel to get the thin crust. 0.
194 Fahrenheit.
And then here it is, the thin crust.
I wonder who created these machines.
I'm sorry?
I wonder who created this machine
I'm
because
not sure.
because this machine kills the dough.
Oh, it just kills the dough.
R.I.P.
All right.
R.I.P.
So,
pizza.
you want 2 margaritas for both?
2 margaritas. Yeah, simple margaritas. Okay, all the way on the crust. No pineapple on the pizza.
No pineapple.
No pineapple on the pizza. Let's go cook this pizza in the oven. They're already dead, but we're gonna kill it now. How long?
3 to 7 minutes.
3 to 7 minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe the big one for 7 minutes and the other 2.
The rice is softer than the thin.
Gotcha. I go take a nap.
Okay.
I'm coming back.
Sorry.
Yeah. I'll see you later. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. Nice and crunchy. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this.
Yes.
Thank you.
enjoy.
Coming soon, something new. Something new coming soon. I'm here to make this pizza better. And guys, like you can see, I'm back here in Hawaii. I brought you here because after about a few months, I want to say about 6 months, finally they changed everything. They changed the recipe, they changed the pizza, and today we are going to test together for the first time the pizzas. Let's go see if it's made like I suggest to them. Let's see if they taste good. Let's see the process, everything A to Z. Let's go, come inside with me. Biology in Hawaii. Fine, I'm super excited to show you. Here we have Vito. Dustin, probably you guys know him. Dustin, you guys know him probably from the first ever video when I met this guy in, that was Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
See, I came back.
Thank you for coming back.
I saw you guys and the chef signature taste.
Two of them for
Two.
right now.
And today we are going to see those 2 pizzas. So show me the process. I'm not gonna make the pizzas today. So come with me, guys. I'm gonna bring you with me. Let's go. Who's gonna make the pizza? You? No, show me your reality.
Oh, we'll have one of our team members come back, make the pizza.
Okay, let's go. Pizzaiola. for today. Ta da ta da, ta da da da. Oh, one thing that we change is the machine. Guys, now they don't part bake the pizza anymore. Now they make the real deal, the real authentico way. Yes, autentico. Remember this word. That's the Neapolitan way to stretch. Today we are here to show you the authenticity of biology. Make sure to watch until the end. Let's get back here and let's see how she stretch. Christian, how long have you been making pizza?
7 years at this point.
7 years. My God, not every day. Okay, so
Alright.
let's go ahead. Let's make the chef signature, which
We're
is
doing your-
my signature pizzas.
All right,
we
we
got
did
the
the
truffle.
calabrese.
We got the Sabatino truffle pizza and the calabrese.
What do you want to do first?
Let's go with the calabrese.
All right.
Tomato sauce. Fresh mozzarella. Pepperoni. Then we got sausage. And jalapeno. Done. First pizza is in the oven. Let's go with the second one. Alfredo sauce. Fresh mozzarella. Portobello mushroom. And then, boom, in the oven. Lovely. Now, let's cook it. And let's see what is gonna come out and taste on the table. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I'll see you soon. Those are the pizzas. Take a look. It seems good, but it looks like bread. See, that's the thick one, and that's the thin one. Look at the crust. Looks like a cookie. There's the pizza. Voila. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now. Elvin eats here. Well, I don't want to say it's good pizza because for me, for my palate, it's not a good pizza. Let's taste this one. Margherita thick crust. It's good pizza if you are hungry to fill up the stomach. But guys, let's go ahead and let's see the new products. Ready? And finally, the pizzas are ready. You remember? How was the pizza last time? So.
Really bad.
Now it's time to taste the quality. Vieni, vieni. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
It's very hard to pronounce your. See,
Mushroom crumble.
the goal is if it's soft and crunchy. Come closer, please. Let's see. Shh. Let's see on this one. We got a nice empty pocket here. It's air. The dough, it's good. So now let's go ahead on the taste. But look at this, wow. Look at this slice. Beautiful, like in Napoli. But we are in Hawaii. This is really one of my favorite. It's amazing. Let me taste this one. This way, wait right there. Don't leave. Let's go and let's taste this one. Wow. The truffle. The mushroom. Lovely.
The pizza,
How is it?
now it's very good.
It's good, guys. Anyway, go try today biology anywhere in Nationwide and see if you can find those two. If it's not, you'll find two different seasoning one because they change every season, right? To every season. So maybe if you see this video in 2 months, you'll find two different one. But make sure, remember, I'm behind all of this. For $13.99 in Hawaii, the truffle pizza, insane. You wanna taste? Let's see my daughter what she thinks. È caldo, spicy. Hold on. No, this one is sweet. Non è spicy, questo è spicy. Okay. Don't do it. Forget about it. Anyway, it's spicy for kids. Make sure don't get this to your kids. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!
Bye.